for clicking on the video of our 23 model case TV450B. This unit is machine sitting in Janesville, Wisconsin. We sold it new to the customer that traded it in for another new one. He's a contractor, ag concrete, and trades every year, every 2 years. 450 some odd hours. I believe there's a little warranty left on this. Look on the website and you'll get it. We'll get it clarified. The machine has got the ISO or H pattern. Looks real nice, you know, for a concrete machine. There's not much splatter. I mean, you look around and where the normal spots, like on the cylinders, everything's fine on it. Bucket's good, 84-inch long lip bucket with an edge. Clean inside. Get it fired up here. There's the ISO or H pattern. I've got it set up for ISO right now. Okay, 443. We'll get it to run. So, run her out, put it back into the slot where I had it parked before, and everything's running the way it should. Just confirmed that boom goes up. Rattle the cage, rattle it a little. These guys know how to maintain things. They do a nice job of maintaining their machines. So come over to Janesville, we'll show it to you. Thank you. Appreciate watching the video.